video lecture. So today we are going to discuss about the case study, okay, in gas welding process. So what is gas welding? So welding have so many types: arc welding, gas welding, friction welding, resistant welding, thermite welding. So different type of bonding purpose we are using different type of welding process. So in particularly gas welding, this is for the light materials and hollow materials we are using to gas welding purpose. So gas welding is most important because the welding area will be covered in quickly. Then the gases are available anytime, everywhere. So the transportation and the gas availability is more convenient to working with the gas welding process. Okay, why we are using gas welding? Any question?
So actually, what kind of gas we are using?
Okay, very good question. So we are using two different type of gases. One is oxygen and another one is acetylene. Okay. So the acetylene gas is for the flame purpose. The flame is coming from acetylene gas, and the oxygen gas is the flame continuously burn. Okay. The flame is continuously blow in the welding gun by the support of oxygen gas. So mostly these type of two gases we are using. Okay. So we are using in the different cylinders.
So why oxygen is used in gas welding?
Yes, the oxygen is used for the continuous flame coming from the acetylene gas. Okay. The flame quality is improved by oxygen gas.
So what is the difference of alkaline and gas? Why instead of going?
Okay, the arc welding is used for the mostly solid material bonding process. Okay, so the material is in solid state condition. We are using arc welding process because the power of the arc is comparatively higher than the gas welding process. So the gas welding process used for the hollow shafts and soft materials. So in gas welding, we are using for the exact welding areas and smaller joint areas. We are using in the gas weldings. In arc welding, we are using in the hollow pipes or hollow materials. The arc power will be penetrate into the hollow materials. So the process will be getting failure. Okay. So we are using in the gas welding process. So this is the coming from the bracing. These type of ornamental bracing you can see anywhere. Ornaments and small tool tips joining process we are using in the gas welding in small size, that is called bracing. Bracing welding process. Any questions?
What are the purpose of other sub-components like the pressure gauge, guns?
Okay, each gases have different type of cylinders, and the two cylinders we have the end of the cylinder we fix the pressure gauges because the pressure is fixed in the exact condition of the material, which type of material we are going to use to join in the process. So different type of materials have different type of pressures availed to join the process. So we are using pressure gauges, and the two different type of hoses we are using in this gas welding process. One is red color hose and another one is blue color hose. The red is acetylene cylinder and another oxygen is blue color hose we are using. Okay. So these two hoses connected by the cylinders. After that, the another end is connected with the welding gun. The welding gun have a nozzle. The nozzle size will be different for based on the which type of material we are going to welding. Okay. So in welding gun also two regulators. The two regulators we are using to adjust the flow of the gas. So the gas welding is very important for mostly in industries and most important in the construction areas. The presses and the extra materials cutting areas. So these are all we are using gas weldings. And in this gas welding process we have some problems, that is called case studies. Sometimes the fire is backfired into through hoses, go to cylinder and the cylinder will be going to burst. So this is one of the case study. Mostly these type of problems will be occurred in the gas welding process. Another one is pressure. The excess pressure of the cylinder is going to burst the cylinder areas. So cylinder will be burst, the nearest area will be all damaged. So this is another type of case studies. And another one is to the flame is spread over nearby the fire catching areas. So this is the third type of case studies. So these are all so many case studies available in the internet. You can see any one type of case study, why the problems will occur and what is the solution of the case studies. Thank you.